We almost got it!
Just a little more. We have plenty of space here. But, why don't we bring the rest from the farm, too? What's happening to this egg? What a beautiful parrot!
What is this?
It's a baby ostrich. Where is my egg? Farmer, the monkey and panda stole my eggs.
The panda and monkey have stolen things from my farm.
I'm coming quickly. What happened here? Oh, where did the panda and monkey go? Looks like the farmer was telling the truth. What happened, farmer?
The monkey and panda have stolen from my farm.